How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up the exact key levels I use on my chart every single day while day trading, and more. That's how I'm starting it. That's not how I'm going to finish this video, so make sure you watch it until the end. So, let's just get right with it here. This is unscripted, just my raw thoughts as we go through here. And if you think I missed anything, just make sure you leave your question in the comments. I try to answer every one if I can. So I don't have to come through here and use the tools to mark all my key levels, do all that hard work, pre-market prep. My indicator, Grizzology, takes the work out of pre-market prep for the most part. So I'm going to come here to settings. I got everything off for the sake of this video, okay? I mean, you don't have to set this up every day. So let's just go through here. This is Grizzology settings. First off, I'm going to go to this style. I'm going to turn the boxes back on. This is supply and demand, so we can see that. Now that's on. Let's go back to the key levels here. I have allow overlapping zones, one signal per zone. And keep in mind, you don't have to use all these key levels with Grizzology. Use what works best for you, or feel free to borrow my setup here. Anyways, I definitely need current session point of control. I'm just going to keep it simple. Think of this as volume-based support and resistance. Grizzology comes with two options when it comes to point of control. One's the highest volume point on this time frame during this session. The other one is volume profile. Okay, you'll see it as we scroll down where to adjust that. You can use previous day point of control. It's definitely well respected. Sometimes it will overlap your key levels. If that happens, anytime you have something overlapping, you just come here, type in, 5 or 10, and it'll put it off to the right. That way you can see both clearly. Definitely need pre-market high and low up. These are for the New York session. Or these are pre-New York session, 4 to 9:30 ET. What else do I need? Sometimes I have overnight high and low up. I'm definitely going to get VWAP up. I use that daily nearly. Let's get Asia session up. The levels here, high and low. I definitely need these. These are fully adjustable here, by the way. So maybe you just like the Tokyo open instead of, what I have here. You can adjust it. Maybe you want the 4 a.m. close. You can adjust that here. Asia opening range, if you trade that. All right, this is for New York opening range here. Opening range breaks. This is New York session. I want this for sure. It's going to help me. It's going to chart my range. I'm going to do the 15-minute orb range. That's what I prefer. And you can do breakout candle for confirmation or retest. I like the retest personally. For me to take the breakout candle on the orb, it really has to have high volume, okay? Let me see if I missed anything. This is handy. So if you trade supply and demand and you have maybe you have issues where your trim should be, your stop. This kind of takes some of the work out of it for you, and it's fully adjustable as well. We also need the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA up. You can do SMAs, EMAs, that's all adjustable here. You just pick which one you want, type it in, press OK. So there you have my setup for day trading. This is the exact key levels / supply and demand I use every single day trading live with you all. You see it. If you have any questions, or maybe you feel like there's a key level I don't have up here, right? Drop it in the comments. I'm always down. I don't think I'm the best trader in the world. I'm always open to suggestions, right? That's why my live trading sessions are a group effort. We talk about the setups. If we don't like something, we stay away from it. Trying to think if I left anything out. Hopefully not. But if you want to try Grizzology, my indicator, out, I'll leave a link in the description. Use code NQ. You get half off your first month. So for the price of a meal, you can try this out. If you don't like it, no hard feelings, but I think you will. It also comes with a community chat. Make sure you get the whop app with it. It comes with community chat, business chat, full user guide, and it comes with quarterly updates and new features coming to the community as well. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.